All right, we are in Casa Grande, south of Phoenix. I don't know, 35 minutes or so. We're at the Meritage community. Walking into the Coltrane plan. This is 1,500 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. This is the model home. Our awesome buyer purchased this. We were able to negotiate all the furniture included. So he is getting everything you see here. Great room plan. And it's got a beautiful patio out here. We'll walk and check this out on the golf course. Look at this. So this is new construction. New home builders, generally from groundbreaking to getting a certificate of occupancy and moving into a homes, anywhere from a 6 on the early side to a 9-month proposition, depending on the size of the home. So he's happy to be moving in late November, December. Look at this gourmet kitchen. That's what we have there. Let's check out this master bedroom. Isn't this awesome? We're very happy to represent on this property, and if you are looking for a new home anywhere in metropolitan Phoenix, we are here to help. The Van Dyke Group with Remax Fine Properties. DM us for more information.